Assuming the mantle of lead catalyst in the area of competitiveness, the Confederation of Indian Industry, or CII, has been helping Indian enterprises to face the challenges of globalization and competitiveness. One of the pioneering initiatives in this area has been the setting up of specialized centers of excellence, offering a wide spectrum of training interventions, consultancy services, and advisory programs. The first such center was established at Bengaluru in 2001. The CII Institute of Quality, with a mission to evolve and leverage a quality movement that transforms India by offering standard solutions, creating practical insights, and driving tangible results, thereby enhancing competitiveness. The center offers a wide range of services: lean management, process improvement methodologies, quality management systems, risk management, Six Sigma tools and techniques, total productive maintenance, and total quality management. These services are delivered through open and in-house training programs, counseling support, competitive clusters, assessment services, and best practice study missions, backed by Business Excellence Awards and recognitions. The Centre has recently launched India's first maturity assessment criteria, an initiative named Z, Zero Defect, Zero Effect, as a part of the Prime Minister's Make in India campaign. Today, the CII Institute of Quality has a global presence across the USA, the UK, Africa, UAE, and SAARC countries. The CII Sohrabji Godrej Green Business Centre drives excellence in resource conservation through energy management, green buildings, green companies, renewable energy, greenhouse gas inventory tracking, green product certification and waste management, enabling companies to build a green corporate image. The Centre's Developmental Institute for Green Businesses and Buildings in Hyderabad, inaugurated on the 14th of July 2004, has the distinction of being one of the greenest buildings in the world and India's first platinum-rated green building. The Centre has evolved rating systems for various built environments, including the world's first Green Core rating system, a prestigious rating that facilitates long-term competitiveness and helps achieve globally accepted benchmarks in green business practices. The CII Nauroji Godrej Centre of Excellence was established in 1999 as a world-class centre of excellence for training and development, with a view to fostering a culture of manufacturing excellence in Indian industry. It conducts short-duration management development programs for middle and senior-level executives on topics as diverse as operations management, supply chain management, marketing and sales, industrial safety and finance, taxation and risk management. The uniqueness of the centre's pedagogy is the facilitation of hands-on learning through small groups and intensive interaction with the faculty, drawn predominantly from industry experts and practitioners. One of the path-breaking programs conducted by the Centre is the Visionary Leaders for Manufacturing program, bringing senior leaders from the manufacturing sector together to look into the future and discover the latent needs of their customers, thus creating tomorrow's manufacturing leaders in pursuit of the next level in excellence. The CII Institute of Logistics is a centre of excellence for promoting competitiveness in the logistics and supply chain sectors of Indian industry through advisory services, national-level studies on shipment efficiency, port operations, network design, the introduction of SCM Pro, an India-centric supply chain competency assessment and certification, and by pioneering functionality certification focused on warehouse excellence. Since its inception in 2004, the Institute of Logistics has developed a wide range of open and in-house training programs and online learning initiatives. It also organizes specialized events and conferences like the Logistics Summit, Next Generation Supply Chains, Auto SCM, and Building Warehousing Competitiveness, and recognizes achievements in this domain by instituting the annual Supply Chain and Logistics Excellence Awards. The CII Avanta Centre for Competitiveness for SMEs focuses on building competence and developing capabilities in the Indian SME sector. The centre aims at accelerating the SME economic engine by offering customized services in the areas of manufacturing excellence, human resources, energy, corrosion and cost management. These services are delivered through open and in-house training programs. Additionally, hand-holding assignments are carried out for individual SMEs as well as for clusters. The events and programs conducted on a regular basis by the Center include the National Cluster Summit, the Indo-German Manager Training Program, Manufacturing and HR Excellence Missions, Cluster Discovery and International Missions, audits for energy and corrosion, and a wide range of webinars. The Center's forte is the cluster approach pioneered by CII and leveraged by the CII Avanta Center to enable SMEs to upgrade their competency and manufacturing capabilities to attain parity with global benchmarks. The CII ITC Center of Excellence for Sustainable Development aims at global leadership in thought and action with a view to driving transformation towards sustainable development and sustainable value creation. Established as a pioneering move by CII, the Center seeks to create and sustain an environment that is conducive to the growth of business, partnering with both the government and enterprises through training, advisory, and consultative services. The Center spearheads policy advocacy in the area of environment, represents industry interests during the formulation of environmental policies, engages with the government in the digital mapping of environment and forest clearance processes, and creates a platform for reciprocal consultation and consensus building. Some of the key initiatives by the Center include the institution of the CII ITC Sustainability Awards in recognition of excellence in the areas of sustainability and inclusiveness, evolving a comprehensive definition for sustainable and inclusive innovation or SI2, and the development of the Sustainable Plus label as a brand identity tool for companies that are sustainable, socially responsible, and well-governed. Today, the Center is recognized by key stakeholders as an agent of change, innovation, and sustainable solutions. The CII Suresh Neotia Center for Excellence for Leadership was established in 2009 at Kolkata as a world-class knowledge and learning center for developing transformational leadership, nurturing change management, creating vision and strategy roadmaps, and mapping employees psychologically and emotionally to maximize performance. The Center provides knowledge and assistance enabling businesses to implement the tools and techniques required for quality management systems, shop floor practices like 5S, TPM, and cluster development for improving productivity, production planning and scheduling, process capability improvement, inventory and supply chain optimization, and project management. The Center uses training programs, workshops, seminars, and conferences as knowledge transfer tools and partners with various international organizations. The CII Jubilant Bharatiya Food and Agriculture Center of Excellence, or FACE, handles projects that pilot new business models in agriculture. Across various agrarian states in the country, FACE works with farmers to activate the farmer-producer model and rural business hub model. The interventions carried out by FACE include capacity building, introduction of new technologies, facilitation of market linkages, and the establishment of economically viable value chains. The projects are carried in partnership with the private sector, enabling companies establish new sourcing and distribution models. FACE is one of the pioneering institutions in the promotion of capacity building in food safety and quality in India, and reaches out to a wide range of stakeholders like food professionals and food business operators through workshops, training programs, street food projects, and consultancy on HACCP and ISO 22000. In addition to interacting with government bodies like the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Coffee Board, Tea Board, Spices Board, etc., FACE also works closely with Indian and international academia like the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, University of Maryland, USA, and GIFSAN. The CII Triveni Water Institute was established in 2011 with a vision to enable India make substantial progress towards achieving water security by 2022. The institute aims at transforming water conservation and water resources management by changing the mindset and behavior of stakeholders, working right from the grassroots level and upward. As a pioneer in capacity building in water resource management, the institute offers training, education, and capacity development through certificate courses for water and wastewater operators. These courses have been developed in partnership with GIZ and the German Association for Water, Wastewater and Waste. The institute also conducts water audits, which often result in potential savings of billions of liters of water with a payback of just a few months. The institute also works on projects for enhancing the efficiency of water use. The scale of these projects may vary from farms to large watersheds, from rural municipalities to large cities, and from SMEs to large industrial clusters. A pioneering move by the institute is the launch of the Indian Water Tool version 2, in partnership with the World Business Council for Sustainable Development, World Resources Institute, and various industries as stakeholders. The tool enables users to undertake the screening of their water risks and prioritize their action points. Empowering enterprises through knowledge, driving change through training interventions, fostering competitiveness. CII's Centers of Excellence.